Uh-huh.
Diane,
That's my feet.
lift up your dress like this.
Right, satisfied?
Trisha, what?
Can you tell which foot is which? This is a little bit
No.
darker.
Yours are bigger,
No.
Trisha.
What,
No.
my foot?
Yeah.
I got the thinner ankle than from both.
What size? You're 8, aren't you?
The size 8.
She's 8.5. Hers looks smaller. What size are you?
I'm gonna need to.
That's like everybody's feet now.
Mom is on her red slippers. Yeah, pull her hair. Yeah, pull her hair. Get a handful. Get a handful.
Oh, that's gonna look funny.
Oh my God!
You pull her hair and you cry? That's not right. Gouging her eyes, too.
Jeez.
Here, you want some ice cream?
No, no,
Hey, kid.
no.
Hey, kid. Go, kid.
Desa la Luchi, desa la Luchi. Ay, la Luchi. Ay, la Luchi.
It's ice cream. Yep. Watch your, it doesn't get on your shirt, Mom. Oh, yeah.
He got some makeup on his shirt.
That's your makeup.
That's mine. Well, who's for the he pulled my hair.
No, that was there from before.
Yeah.
Pain, pain, pain.
Manja. Manja.
How come we always